In front of me is HTC U12 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to access Photos app and click on Photos or Library. If you decided to select photos, hold one of them that you wish to delete and use those type of dots at the top right corner to select all of them. Now, if you wish to keep some, just click on the ones that you wish to spare and hit delete at the bottom to delete the rest. If you see this pop-up, click on Move to Bin. If you want to select library and pick photos from here, you need to choose one of your folders, hold one of your pictures, and tap on the same type of dot. This time though, click on this bin at the top next to the shopping cart and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!